Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to allocate nominal codes. Hover over the Jobs tab and select Labor Types. In this screen, let's ensure the relevant sales nominal codes and sales tax codes are allocated to their corresponding labor type. These can be adjusted by clicking Edit on the right-hand side. So let's have a look here at our tire fit labor type. Simply hit Edit on the right-hand side of this labor type and click on the drop-down here under Sales Nominal Code. We can now see the new 4001 code. So let's choose that and hit Save. Alternatively, by hovering over the Jobs tab again, and this time selecting Labor Units, you'll be able to adjust the sales nominal code and sales tax code of specific labor units as opposed to the broader labor type. Again, these can be altered by clicking on the Edit button on the right-hand side and selecting from the relevant drop-down menus. So let's have a look at the tire fit labor code by clicking Edit on the right here. And as you can see on the left, we can choose the 4001 nominal code we created via the drop-down, then simply click Save. Next, let's take a look at allocating the correct nominal codes and tax codes against products. In TechMan, the defaults we set previously will be used. However, you can tailor these in more detail by assigning them to categories and subcategories the products correspond to. Hover over the Products tab and select Categories and Subcategories. Let's edit our tires category. In here, you can set the sales nominal code, sales tax code, purchase nominal code, and purchase tax code based on the overall category. Let's save our changes. Furthermore, you can assign your nominal and tax codes at the subcategory level too. Simply edit the subcategory on the right-hand side, assign the appropriate codes, and update your subcategory. If you've already created bookings or invoiced jobs in your TechMan system, don't worry, we've got you covered. Contact our team and we'll be able to apply your newly adjusted nominal and tax codes to existing bookings or already invoiced jobs. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.